been using the Nuwave Titanium Cooktop for a few weeks now, and I love this so much. Let me give you the 3 reasons why I think this is amazing, and the 1 gimmick that I don't need at all. Now, the first and most straightforward pro for this is that it is an induction cooktop, and I have a gas stovetop. So I love that I can use this, and there are no fumes at all. Not only does it give me an additional cook surface, but I usually use this instead of my gas stovetop. The next piece I love is the true precision cooking. You can cook at whatever temperature you want within 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So you have very precise control, and so you can cook at a very exacting level. And hands down, my favorite part is this temperature probe. It is heat resistant, meaning that you can put it in your soups, your pastas, and most specifically your meats from the beginning. I do like putting this into my meat before I even put it onto the induction cooktop. And then I like taking my meat off the induction cooktop with this still in, so I can see how the temperature continues to go up while it is off the heat. And thanks to the precision cooking, I really can get consistently cooked meats that are perfect on the inside and have a fantastic sear on the outside. This and the precision cooking make me a better cook. Now, as for the 1 gimmick, I really don't care for the stages at all. I get the idea. You can use the stages to have it hold at a certain temperature for a specific period of time, or maybe go up to a temperature with the temperature probe and then go to the next stage, which is a set time period. So it would be a nice way to heat up stews and then hold them steady. But I did this, and quite honestly, anything I'm cooking for a long period of time, I'm still gonna come and check on it from time to time. So I really don't need a machine trying to automate that process for me. So I thought the stages were unnecessary, but past that, this is an amazing induction cooktop, and maybe you'll love the stages as well. If you are on the hunt for an induction cooktop for your home, your RV, camping, wherever you want or need this, this is the one that I recommend.